Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your printer shows printer is in an error state and refuses to print, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best method to fix the printer error state problem in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This error usually happens because of stuck print jobs, a corrupted print spooler service, or outdated printer drivers. Let's fix the printer not printing issue step by step. First, click on the Start menu, type Services, and open the Services app. In the list of services, find Print Spooler. Right-click Print Spooler and click Stop. Now, do not close the Services window. Open File Explorer. Go to your system drive, usually C, then open the following folders: Windows, scroll down and open System 32. Scroll down and double-click on Spool. Finally, open the Printers folder. Inside the Printers folder, delete all files. These files are stuck print jobs that often cause the printer is in an error state problem in Windows. After deleting all the files, close File Explorer and go back to the Services window. Right-click Print Spooler again and click Start. Next, right-click the Start menu and open Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, then click Printers and Scanners. Find your printer and remove it from the list. After removing the printer, install the latest printer driver from the manufacturer's website and reconnect your printer. Once these steps are completed, the printer error state problem should be fixed and your printer should start printing normally again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please like this video and subscribe for more printer troubleshooting and Windows Fix tutorials.